They wrote a jingle about ribs. Fridays is writing a symphony with 5 styles of bacon back ribs, chipotle, sweet Memphis rub, applewood bacon crusted, Tennessee barbecue, and our famous Jack Daniels sauce. And for a limited time, you can choose 3 for $10. You want your baby backs? We got your back. Happy Friday. The secret is out. We're in theaters on Friday. Hero 6 is
Where you go, Dexter? Go, Dexter, go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, Dexter! Go! Go, 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 go! Kick, 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 kick! Kick, 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 kick! Kick, 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 kick!